Today, we're taking a look at the Peugeot 306 Maxi for the 1996 Monte Carlo Rally from NuNu Models. And it is today's What's in the Box. Welcome into the garage, everyone. So this is one of NuNu Models' recent releases. Well, recent was a couple of months ago, actually now at this point. It's going to be 1/24 scale curb side kit. Let's check it out. Getting started now with the body. And getting started now with the chassis parts too, which also contains some of the interior parts. See, the lower half of the engine is molded in, along with the front part of the exhaust. And the interior floor. Interior bucket, the interior door panels, like fuel tank, radiator, and some other interior bits. Front bumper along with the seats. Or rear bumper, excuse me. And taking a look at the next parts tree, which has a lot of the, looks like a lot of suspension parts on it. Look at the brakes. Now taking a look at the parts tree that has like the roll cages, more suspension driveline parts. Now taking a look at the part tree that has the front bumper, spare tire wheel, the wheel for the spare tire, and the little wing that for the roof. Kind of silly looking, but whatever. Now take a look at the wheels. There are 5, but only 4 on the main parts tree. Now we're going to take a look at the chrome parts trees. This one has the piece for the front grille. Then you have the headlight, taillight buckets. Now we're going to take a look at the clear parts trees. There are a couple of them. One that contains the headlight, taillight lenses and the clear underside. obviously clear so you can see the detail on the other side, or you can paint it if you want. And the windows, the window parts tree. And now taking a look at the tires, which you can see you get 5 of them, and they are treaded tires for. And now finally we'll take a look at the decal sheets, which you can see there are 3 of them. We'll start with the main livery set. And you can see all you gotta do is paint the body white. And the blue decals take care of the decals. Take care of the rest. And the decal sheet, we'll call it, which has a bunch of stuff, bunch of decals. And in lieu of actual window masks, they give you decals for that, which I'm not a fan of decals for the trim. I wish they would opt and spend the money and do window mask like everybody else does. I would gladly pay the extra, whatever it'll cost per kit for it. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the Peugeot 306 Maxi for the 1996 Monte Carlo Rally Kit from NuNu Model Kit. Say NuNu models is really filling a niche for the rally cars. So there you go. On that note, thank you for watching.